Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Chef Raphael. Now, it smells really nice. This is chicken in mustard and rosemary sauce. It's really nice and delicious. It's creamy. I've served it with some French beans and some plain rice. Super simple to make. In this video, I'll show you the whole procedure of making the chicken and close-up shots. And I hope you learn something new and enjoy the dish when you make yours. Let's get started and you see how simple it is to make it. So for the ingredients we need chicken. This is half a chicken that I've cut them into smaller pieces. 2 small onions or medium-sized onion. 2 cloves of garlic. Mixed vegetables. Right now I have carrots and colored peppers that I've cut into sticks. Then we have the rosemary. So the rosemary is finely chopped. You can use fresh or dried. Mustard. And cooking cream. So the first thing you want to do when you start cooking this chicken is have your pan hot and add a little bit of oil. So the fire is on high because you really want it to become hot so that you brown the chicken. So for the chicken, I'll season it with black pepper. I love black pepper, so I always add black pepper to everything that I cook. What I've done, I've just added black pepper on one side, and then when the pot is hot, even especially when you start seeing the oil starting to brown, that's when I'll actually place the chicken inside the pot. You want to hear it sizzle. So that sizzling is not hot enough, but because I'm not going to crowd the pan, because that's the other thing, the pot or pan that you're using should not be crowded. You want each piece of the chicken to touch the surface of the pot or pan that you're using. I'll add a little bit more of black pepper on top of the other side of the chicken. I've not added salt. I'll actually do it right now. Not too much, because this will be a sauce or a stew. I'll add a little bit more salt a little bit later to the sauce. So the idea is to brown the chicken on one side and then I'll turn it brown on the other side. This is half a chicken. If you're using a full chicken, again use a wider pan. Now it started to brown. It's not as brown as I want it to be. I just wanted to show you. So this one will leave it like this. So you see the difference between this browning and a deeper browning. Browning will add flavor to the chicken. If you're going to turn them one side at a time, because you want to literally brown on all sides of the chicken. I'm using high heat, so turn them one side at a time, let it get brown on all sides. Still on high heat, don't cover. Just try and make sure that all sides are evenly brown. We are not cooking it fully, so don't worry about it cooking completely. just high heat. Also, the thing you should avoid is to keep stirring the meat. So I'm going to set it aside when it's completely brown, so I'll use the plate that I was using. So at least we have some color on the chicken, so this is good, or even a little bit darker than this. Start with the onion. A little bit of oil. So after they are slightly browned, and the peppers, I've reduced the fire so that the vegetables don't brown too much. Now at this stage I'll add a big pinch of rosemary. Now this is chopped. If you have fresh, just chop them as well. So one big pinch, but you can always add more if you want more flavor. And then actually at this point I'll add a little bit of water to deglaze the pan. You want to remove the browning, the browned flavors that are stuck on the pan, and then add the chicken back. So I'll add a little bit more salt. A little bit of black pepper. I love black pepper, so it's never too much for me, but it's optional. I can smell the rosemary flavor. So at this point I'll add a little bit of water. Like half a cup. And the mustard, this is approximately 2 tablespoons. Now it depends on the mustard you have, and you can use any mustard that is available, to be honest. There's no specific one. So the amount of mustard, it depends on also how much flavor of the mustard you want. So mix everything. So the idea now is to cook the chicken in this sauce. Reduce the fire and cover the pot. Let it cook for about 10 minutes on low heat so that the chicken is fully cooked on the inside. So chicken is ready. What usually happens, it tends to stick if you don't stir it. If the water is finished, just add a little bit more water to the pot. Now you know the chicken is ready, especially for the big piece. The chicken leg, when you don't see blood coming out from the joint, that means the chicken is ready. If you see any red or pink liquid coming out from here, that means that that chicken is not ready. So even if it takes 10 minutes or however long it takes, or how short it takes, it's ready. Vegetables are nice and soft. You can also add mushrooms to this instead of the peppers that I added. Mushroom would also work well. What I'm going to do now is add the cooking cream. And I'm adding the cooking cream or dairy or even whipping cream that's not sweetened at the last moment, because you do not want it to overcook. We usually add cream at the end of the cooking process. And what will happen as it starts simmering, the cream will become thick. If you want a little bit more gravy, you can add a little bit of water. So whichever is good for you, but the cream will make it nice and rich. Let me taste it. So it's always good to taste for the salt. Yum, exactly what I wanted. You can taste the mustard, slight taste of rosemary. So this is ready. Turn off the heat, and I'm going to serve it with more vegetables. And I have some blanched French beans, so this will be on the side. So this will also work well with this. And in terms of color, I have the green and I have the orange and red in the peppers and the carrots. So this would be awesome, and I'm going to serve it with some rice. So let's serve. What I have here is plain rice. I've put some cloves, some cardamom, so it's actually even some flavored rice. Use whatever rice you like, whether flavored or not. French beans ready, and the chicken. So plan for me is to have 2 pieces each. So how I cut the chicken is enough to serve 2 pieces per portion. Sauce smells nice. I have my mixed peppers on one side, and again for color and even more vegetables, French beans on one side. So there you have it. Nice and delicious, quick and easy. Can't wait to dig in. Hope you've learned something new. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Put any comment that you may have on the comment section, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I'm signing out. Until next time, goodbye.